Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I am gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible modern bedroom interior design ideas. Let's start. Modern bedroom interior design is a style focused on simplicity, functionality, and a clean, uncluttered look. It emphasizes smooth lines, neutral colors, and a calm, relaxing atmosphere, perfect for creating a peaceful sleeping space. Key features of modern bedroom design. First, minimalist look. Modern design follows the idea of less is more. That means fewer decorations, clean surfaces, and no unnecessary clutter. Next, neutral color palette. Common colors include white, beige, gray, black, and soft earthy tones. Sometimes, small pops of color are added through pillows or artwork. Simple furniture. Furniture has slick, straight lines and practical designs. Beds are often low profile with simple headboards. Functional layout. Everything in the room has a purpose. Storage is smart and hidden to keep the room tidy. Natural light. Large windows, shade curtains, or open spaces allow plenty of natural light to brighten the room. Next, modern materials. Materials like glass, metal, wood, and polished surfaces are commonly used. A modern bedroom feels calm, clean, organized, and spacious. It avoids heavy decoration and instead focuses on comfort and simplicity. Here are some extra modern bedroom interior design tips to make your space look more stylish, cozy, and well-designed. First, upgrade your color layers even with neutral tones. Mix different shades like light gray plus charcoal plus white to avoid a flat look. This adds depth without making the room busy. Focus on bedding texture. Use layered bedding, soft cotton sheets, a chunky knit throw, or a light quilt. Mixing textures makes a simple modern bed feel luxurious. Use layered lighting instead of on-bright light. Combine ceiling light, bedside lamps, warm LED strip lights under bed or behind headboard. This creates a cozy and modern mood. Add mirrors. For space, a large mirror can make your bedroom feel bigger and brighter. To simple frames or frameless designs. Bring nature inside. Add small indoor plants like snake plant or pothos. They soften the modern look and add freshness. Keep storage hidden. Use underbed storage, built-in shelves, or basket to keep things out of sight. A clutter-free room is key to modern design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.